Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
I've got you when I can't take it any longer. You make me feel stronger. I've got you when I can't take it. You make it so much better. We'll do this together. Oh, we'll do this together. I've got you. We'll do this together.
I'm Isabella. I'm Eliana.
And I'm Abby, from the Not So Perfect Primos. Today we will be making my mom's recipe of carrot cake. So, without any further ado, let's get to the video. So, first we're going to put in the flour. All of the flour. And then we're going to put in the baking soda. Baking soda. We're going to put the cinnamon, la canela. The cinnamon, and lastly we're gonna put some baking powder, and they will leave all the ingredients in the description down below so you guys can see that. And you're gonna go ahead and mix all of these dry ingredients.
Look, I'm ready for the baking soda.
And like that, and they're gonna mix all the dry ingredients.
A little bit of salt.
And then they're gonna add a tiny pinch.
Tiny pinch of it.
A tiny little pinch of salt. Look, tiny little pinch. Like that one. Into the dry mixture. So this is the bowl with all the dry ingredients. Okay, so now we're going to mix in the other ingredients. First we're going to put the egg. So I'm going to go ahead and mix the eggs, and you are going to add some vanilla extract. Ay, ay, ay. And we're going to mix that again. Okay. So now we're going to add the sugar.
Let me?
You can do it with the mixer, or you can do it by hand. So since it's carrot cake, the most important ingredient is carrots. So here my mom's helping us to shred all of the carrots. So we almost forgot to add one of the most important ingredients, the vegetable oil. So you can add it now. And we're going to mix it in with the liquid ingredients, which is the eggs, the sugar, and the vanilla extract. We're going to mix it well. Now Isabella and Eliana are putting butter all over the containers where we will be making pudding in the batter. The reason we will be doing this is so the batter doesn't stick on the trays. Here we have our the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients, or the liquid ingredients, and we're just gonna mix them together. And here we have our carrots. Once you mix those two dry ingredients together, the dry ingredients and liquid ingredients together, you're gonna add the carrots. So now we're gonna put the mixture into the tray. So now we're gonna put all the stuff into the oven. We preheated the oven before, and now the cake, in it goes. The second cake too. And we're gonna wait about 30 minutes for it to cook. So now we're gonna try our carrot cake. Now it's ready. And look. That's good.
It's really good.
So yeah, definitely a recommendable recipe. And I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe, and bye.